Hello, I'm Carl Ajal, Senior Automation and Software Segment Manager at Vention, and welcome to Automate 2024. I'm excited to introduce you to the latest version of Machine Logic, the tools that will enhance how you program your robot in the cloud and deploy it directly to your factory floor, accelerating your deployment process. Let's dive into what sets Machine Logic apart. We're creating a new digital twin experience where we have added a new scene asset functionality that allows you to create multiple reference frame and targets. This allows you to visually adjust your robot path and waypoints, providing you easy control over your robot motion. Now, you can also define parametric reference frames and targets using variables and expression. Move away from specifying exact coordinates and easily control the robot's movement in various dynamic situations. Whether you're a robotic developer looking to program in Python or new to using no-code interfaces, Machine Logic provides a seamless experience for everyone to program and deploy the robot cells. With Vention's Machine Logic, take control of your automation journey.